Today, this video is going to show you how to make peanut butter brownies that are soft and moist and delicious. So first we need a box of brownie mix, 2/3 cup of oil. I'm using canola oil. 1/4 cup of water and 2 eggs. And then you need a half a jar of peanut butter, your favorite peanut butter, doesn't matter what kind of peanut butter. We're just using, this is creamy, you can use chunky peanut butter too, and it is a half of the little jar, so it equals out to about a cup and a half of peanut butter. Just put it right in there, and we just mix this all together. Have a 9 by 13 inch pan ready, greased to put it in. Our batter is nice and mixed up, all nice and smooth. Now we just put our mixture in our baking pan. Make sure you get all of it out of the pan. These will bake for about 40 minutes or until toothpick comes clean. Once you get your brownies all leveled out, we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 40 minutes. Our brownies just came out of the oven, passes the toothpick test, comes out clean, so they're nice and done. That was cooked at 350 for 40 minutes. And that is peanut butter brownies. Now, if you'd like to wait till they cool and put confectioner's sugar on them, you can, or even chocolate icing, whatever you like. So for people who love peanut butter, this is a great recipe. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.